I'm Steve Raybolt. I'm the County Administrator for Clermont County. The County Administrator for Clermont County is essentially the COO, Chief Operating Officer for Clermont County. It's just like a corporation would be. And in my duties as the COO, I report directly to the Board of County Commissioners. And our function is to support them in their roles as commissioners. Primarily daily operations. We run daily operations as well as the fiscal information for the commissioners. The number of employees in the county, interesting question that comes up because I have 3 different sets of employees that I'm worried about. The county itself in its entirety is about 1,200 employees. Under the Board of County Commissioners, responsibility is approximately 500 to 550 employees, and the Board of County Commissioners office itself is 11 employees. Well, the county's annual budget, general fund budget, which is the funds that are discretionary to the Board of County Commissioners to distribute every year, allocate, is about $57 million. In addition to that, our office is responsible for about $10 million a year in capital funds for county projects. The funding process in the county is, first off, let me say that there's 21 elected officials in the county government. A lot of people perceive county government as a single entity. It's not. There are 18 elected officials beyond the county commissioners, the 3 of course, which gives us to 21. And the county commissioners are responsible for the budgeting for all elected officials and some boards within the county. So through the appropriation process every year, each elected official submits what they need for their operations, and Board of County Commissioners, through my office, works with each of the elected officials to come up with a fiscal plan, which then the board has to approve for all of the agencies. We have a very good staff in the county, dedicated, hardworking staff, and that's all of the staff, not just Board of County Commissioners. And I couldn't do my function if I didn't have good, solid staff supporting our office. The second thing we're proud of is the ability to do the fiscal work that the Board of County Commissioners has directed us to do. They're very fiscally conservative. Over the last 10, 20 years, we've been able to maintain that strategy. So the county is very fiscally stable, so we're very proud of that fact as well. We're here to support the citizens. The Board of County Commissioners represents all of the citizens in Clermont County, as well as the businesses. And my office is obligated to support the board and their functions with the citizens. So we're available all the time. I said we have thousands of people call us all the time. We try to address their questions as best we can, get answers for them, etc. But we're the point of contact, and we try to support the board as well as the citizens as they contact us. 2 ways to contact me in my office is, of course, our webpage. I have my email address is sraybolt@clermontcountyohio.gov. And then my phone number is 513-732-7300. That gets to the front counter of the Board of County Commissioners, and then they distribute the calls as necessary.